Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 3 of my basketball grading prep cards that I have set aside to get slabbed eventually by somebody. Eventually is the key word there. But I think you guys are really going to enjoy this video. There's some really cool cards in here. A lot of variety. So, I get tired of seeing like all the ultra modern stuff. Everybody slabbing, all the mosaic or prism, different color variations. It's just the same old stuff. It's all like speculation and prospecting and, and that's fine. I mean, everybody has their thing. But for me, it's just around what I enjoy collecting. And, I'm kind of a variety collector. And you'll see as you go through this video, I definitely like my refractors and, things like that. So here we go. Steve Nash, Topps Chrome Refractor from 06. Jason Kidd, Topps Chrome Refractor. I'm just big on Topps Chrome. I love Topps Chrome Refractors. It's my go-to, as you guys know. Grant Hill. Got Darius Garland, green. So I do a little bit of ultra modern as well. Evan Mobley, pink. Jason Kidd Refractor. Got another Garland. This is red, white, and blue. Again, I think this kid's going to have a good career. Got a nice Jordan 87. Little off-center, left to right. Pretty clean overall. Top to bottom is off a little bit too, so I'm hoping it falls into the 8 range. Corners, edges, surface, everything else is really good. Trae Young Prism. I don't do a lot of base. I bought that back towards the hype, so I'm not into it very much, but again, I mean, it's probably valued at what I paid for it at this point in time. Vince Carter Refractor. And Topps Chrome just has the best images, I think. Just cool in-action photos. Here you go. This is Shaq. Not big on getting his stuff in the heat. I prefer either, the Orlando or the Lakers. Kobe Finest Refractor. Got a D Wade Refractor from Bowman Chrome. I think those are out of $4.99. Yeah. Iverson. This is the Grant Hill's all rookie team. Condition sensitive, so 7/8 probably on that. This is an autograph, Kevin Garnett. Had a signature rookies. These have really taken off in value. Gasol, this is his rookie refractor. Kyle Lowry, solid career, black refractor. So, Chris Paul, this is the Sweet Shot autograph. Pretty cool. I think I picked this up when they were $25, which is crazy compared to what they're selling for now. His stuff was really low there for a while too, especially before he came to the Suns. Kyrie, this is his Prism auto. This is a really cool card, so I don't know how many of you guys know about these, but it's a Flirt edition, but if you see up there, it's crystal and it's in gold, and then his name and team are in gold at the bottom. And these are actually numbered out of 125, so super, super low print. One of my favorite cards in my collection is the D Wade like this. It's got quad 9.5s. So it's a really, really nice addition that I enjoy. So when I saw this pop up, I wanted to get it to match. Hopefully it'll grade out well. Got 2 of these. These are Tony Parker rookies, refractors. Picked this up. I should have picked up a lot more because these were super inexpensive for the longest time. I wouldn't say inexpensive, but not what they are today. So this is the 96 Topps Chrome Refractor. This entire set is just, a base Kevin Garnett's about $400 or $500 now in terms of the refractor version. This is the morning hot numbers. Kevin Love, Bowman Chrome. This is this blue refractor out of 99. Should make the Hall of Fame someday. Got 2 of his X-Fractors. Got a base Tim Duncan. Zach LaVine out of 225. I was big on LaVine back when he was with the T-Wolves. So picked up some of his stuff. Got his SP Authentic, Future Watch, Prism Select. Got 2 reds. I think these are, yeah, out of 149. These have really taken off. I think I was picking these up in the $45, $50 range maybe. And I think, you know, I've seen some go as high as $400 or $500. So they've really taken off. Picked this up, Select Autograph as well. And then got the purple and white Select. So I got some cool Levines I want to send out. This is a Kobe gold medallion from Ultra Encore. I really wish I would have picked up this platinum when it was hovering around 200 bucks, but missed the boat on that one. Postmark Shaq. This is the refractor. Pretty cool card. Love how it shines. Shaq Intense. Just an iconic card from the early 90s. Shaquille Silver refractor. Got the penny refractor. This set's taken off quite a bit too. So this is that's Jam penny. Cool card. Love that card. I like acetate cards in general. Refractor of Ray Allen. Surface, everything else is clean on this. Centering is obviously off left to right. So if it hits an 8, I'll be happy. Tracy McGrady. This is the best picks, but this is the atomic refractor. Grant Hill, hot numbers. Jordan Topps Gold. Just put it in here because it was centered really well and looked good. Got the Jordan starting lineup. Got another starting lineup. This one's off centered left to right, otherwise pretty clean cards. So if it hits an 8, it would be a good up in terms of value. Jordan. I hit the die cut with that in a 10 on one of my subs, so figured I'd try the regular card too. Carmelo, this is one of my favorite sets of all time, back in 93, and I love how they came back out with it in 03. Got your Iverson refractor rookie there. This is the Bowman Picks refractor. The NBA at 50. 06 refractor. Love this card. That's Jam. Iverson. I mean, it's just a cool card. It's cool because you can like really see his shoes, which I think is kind of cool. I'm a big shoe fanatic, so I like that. It's a cool card. Now, Finest Gold. 06 D Wade refractor. Also have his die cut. One of the coolest Vince Carter Topps Chrome cards out there. And he's just going off on Josh Smith right there, which is pretty cool. Vince Carter is the press pass auto. Another cool card. I think if you get a Vince card, he's got to be in dunk motion. Vince Carter, this is the Bowman's Best certified auto. All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer to the bottom here. Got a second Trae Young. There's a Kobe jersey out of 350. Got another one out of 350. Got this. This is one of my favorite cards. I have the auto version. It hit a 9.5 on it, so I was pretty excited about that. But this is the just the jersey version. Got a James Harden Topps. All right, now we're getting into some, I think, pretty fun cards that you guys are gonna like. This is an overlooked card. This is the Kevin Garnett. This is rookie. It's the SP Future NBA All-Stars, but it's the gold version. So, really glad to add that. That was one I was looking for quite a while. There's also a different SP version as well that has like cuts on the side. It's silver on both sides, and it has a gold version. I'm gonna look for that as well. These two are really cool. You don't see these very often anymore. But this is the Steve Nash. This is the Platinum Medallion Edition out of Ultra Encore. So, still need to get the Iverson. This is the Ray Allen Platinum as well. So, here's a Flair Wave of the Future. Got this from Bob Lewis a long time ago. This card's actually in really good shape. I mean, it's got a little chip in here and there, but if it comes back at 8, I'll be thrilled. Super cool card. I'm not a big LeBron fan, but I do like that set. That's a pretty cool card. Shaq, this is the Slam Funk. Really cool card, acetate. Duncan Go Nuts. It's the Competitive Advantage. Got the Shaq Hot Numbers. This is his Upper Deck jersey. I love this card. Should have bought more of these. They've exploded in value. Shaq Thunder and Lightning. Just a cool set. And I think this is the last card I have in my pre-grade order, and this is a card that I've had in my collection for a little while. I also picked this up off Bob Lewis. It's off-centered a little bit, obviously left to right, but just a big card in general. So this is the Dirk Nowinski Topps Chrome Refractor Rookie. This card is like super, super clean, minus the centering. And SGC gave it a 7.5, which I didn't agree with, so I cracked it out, and it's going to go to PSA more than likely once I feel like sending it in. But I get it. Like, I think SGC grades the best out of all the grading companies by far. So is this a 7.5? Yes, probably. Literally the way it sits because of centering, it's probably going to be a 7.5, right? But the way the industry and the hobby in general looks at this card, PSA doesn't put as much relevance on the centering as they do on everything else. And so because this hits the mark on everything else, edges, surface, corners, you know, everything like that, it probably will hit an 8 at PSA, which, you know, in general will add more value to the card, but also it's just the difference of what we're doing when we're grading. I mean, I don't think there's one company for everything. And there is if the market would adhere to that strategy, but they don't. So for me, this is going to go to PSA. I'm going to shoot for an 8 and go from there. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed some of the stuff I put away that I'm looking to get slabbed here eventually. And hey, it's just kind of fun to rummage through cards. So I enjoy you guys watching, and I appreciate it. Thanks.